Hello everyone, this is Alina, LARTE Design, and here we have prepared a new ambitious project for Cadillac Escalade. We have called this body kit Esthete to show how exclusive this car can be. So for the front we have added our massive hood with our logo, which will go instead the original one. Also you can add our Radiator Grille with the large air intakes. So we have kept the spatial place for the camera, so everything will work correctly. And you can add our front bumper overlay, which will go instead of the original one also. It has additional fog lights, which will add safety on the road, and the front bumper overlay doesn't influence the clearance of the car. These parts are made from basalt fiber with a glossy black finish and a matte black finish, but also these parts are available made from 100% carbon fiber. To add more brutality to this car, we have made a special arches extension. These ones are made from basalt fiber and painted in the body color, fixed on the sealant. Also, look at the mirror cups with such an interesting design. They will go on the original one. From the side, we can offer you to add carbon fiber moldings, and let me show you what rims are available for this car. For Cadillac Escalade Esthete, we can offer our forged rims of different designs. All our rims have passed all the tests and we guarantee 100% safety on the road. So look at this design, glossy black finish, diamond groove. All our rims are available from 18 to 24 size. Also, they can be with graphite gray finish, and these elements can be painted in the color of the car. Look how luxurious they are. To the rear view of your car, you can add this roof spoiler with really interesting architecture, which looks really sporty. And you can add this trim on the trunk lid with our logo. Both these parts are fixed on the special sealant. And look at this rear diffuser. It is made in American style. This one has the matte black finish. This part will go instead of the original one. We have kept the original reflectors, and we have added this beautiful twin-to-pipe muffler tips. If your car has a tow bar, so we have kept a special place for it. All these parts can be also made from 100% carbon fiber. All the materials and accessories are made in Germany, and this kit will be delivered from our German office. The body kit Esthete will make your car visually more brutal and powerful and will give your car more exclusive image. So follow us on Instagram and YouTube, and if you have more questions, write me. I will help you to choose the best options.